Note down the problem. The following are the ratios. The following are the ratios. The following are the ratios extracted from the balance sheet of a company. The balance sheet of a company. Draw a balance sheet. Draw a balance sheet. Draw a balance sheet. Note down the items. Current liabilities. Current liabilities equal to 1.0. Current liabilities is equal to 1.0. Next, current assets is equal to 2.5. Current assets is equal to 2.5. Next, working capital is equal to 3 lakhs. Working capital is equal to 3 lakhs. Working capital 3 lakhs. Next, quick ratio is equal to 1.5. Quick ratio is equal to 1.5. Next, stock turnover ratio is equal to 6 times. Stock turnover ratio is equal to 6 times. 6 times. Next, gross profit ratio is equal to 20%. Gross profit ratio is equal to 20%. Next, debt collection period. Debt DEBT, debt collection period. Debt collection period is equal to 2 months. To 2 months. Next, shareholders capital. Shareholders capital is equal to 5 lakhs. Shareholders capital is equal to 5 lakhs. Next, reserves and surplus 2,50,000. Reserves and surplus 2,50,000. Next, fixed assets turnover. Fixed assets turnover is equal to 2 times. Fixed assets turnover is equal to 2 times. This is the problem. From this information, he is going to ask prepare the balance sheet of a company అంటాడు. ఈ ఇన్ఫర్మేషన్ అంటే కొన్ని నిష్పత్తులు కొంత ఇన్ఫర్మేషన్ ఇచ్చేసి సో ప్రిపేర్ ద బ్యాలెన్స్ షీట్ ఆఫ్ ఎ కంపెనీ. కంపెనీ యొక్క బ్యాలెన్స్ షీట్ తయారు చేయమని చెప్తున్నాడు. సో యూజింగ్ దిస్ మనము కొన్ని ఐటమ్స్ కనుక్కోవాలి. సో మనకు ఫస్ట్ కరెంట్ లైబిలిటీస్ 1 ఇచ్చినాడు, కరెంట్ అసెట్స్ 2.5 ఇచ్చినాడు. కరెంట్ రేషియో అన్న ఒకటే, కరెంట్ అసెట్స్ కరెంట్ లైబిలిటీస్ అన్న ఒకటే. సో వర్కింగ్ క్యాపిటల్ ఇచ్చినాడు. ఫ్రమ్ దిస్ 3 ఐటమ్స్ వీఆర్ గోయింగ్ టు ఫైండ్ అవుట్ కరెంట్ అసెట్స్ అండ్ కరెంట్ లైబిలిటీస్. ఓకే, అండర్లైన్ చేసి రాయండి ఆన్సర్. Calculation of current assets and current liabilities. Calculation of current assets and current liabilities. Calculation of current assets and current liabilities. Current ratio is equal to current assets by current liabilities. Current assets by current liabilities. Next, working capital is equal to current assets minus current liabilities. Working capital is equal to current assets minus current liabilities. So 3 lakhs is equal to 2.5 minus 1. 2.5 minus 1. Next step. 3 lakhs is equal to 1.5 current liabilities. 3 lakhs is equal to 1.5 current liabilities. Next step. 1.5 current liabilities is equal to 3 lakhs. 1.5 current liabilities is equal to 3 lakhs. Therefore, current liabilities is equal to 3 lakhs by 1.5. Therefore, current liabilities is equal to 3 lakhs by 1.5. 3 lakhs by 1.5. That is equal to 2 lakhs. That is equal to 2 lakhs. These are the current liabilities. Next, 3 lakhs is equal to, that means working capital 3 lakhs is equal to CA minus 2 lakhs. CA means current assets. We are going to find out. So, CA minus current liabilities 2 lakhs. Next step, minus CA విధులకు వస్తుంది కదా, మైనస్ CA is equal to minus 2 lakhs. ఇది 3 lakhs అవుతుంది, అక్కడ minus 3 lakhs అవుతుంది. Minus CA is equal to minus 2 lakhs minus 3 lakhs. సో అంతా మనకు మైనస్ కాబట్టి మైనస్ క్యాన్సిల్ అయిపోతుంది. Therefore, current assets is equal to 5 lakhs. Therefore, current assets is equal to 5 lakhs. So we find out the current assets and the current liabilities. Okay. Next, calculation of quick assets. Calculation of quick assets. Calculation of quick assets. Under that, quick ratio is equal to quick quick assets by current liabilities. Quick ratio is equal to quick assets by current liabilities. So 1.5 is equal to 1.5 is equal to quick assets by 2 lakhs. 1.5 is equal to quick assets by 2 lakhs. Cross multiplication చేస్తే therefore quick assets is equal to 3 lakhs. Therefore quick assets is equal to 3 lakhs. That means 1.5 into 2 అనమాట. So quick assets is equal to 3 lakhs. అదే హౌస్ కట్టుకోండి. Next, therefore stock is equal to current assets minus quick assets. Current assets minus quick assets. That is equal to 5 lakhs minus 3 lakhs. 5 lakhs minus 3 lakhs is equal to 2 lakhs. Is equal to 2 lakhs. Is equal to 3 lakhs. Next step. Cost of goods sold is equal to sales minus gross profit. Minus gross profit. Therefore, stock turnover ratio is equal to cost of goods sold by closing stock. Cost of goods sold by closing stock. Cost of goods sold closing stock. Next, 6 is equal to cost of goods sold by 2 lakhs. 6 is equal to cost of goods sold by 2 lakhs. Cross multiplication చేస్తే therefore cost of goods sold is equal to 12 lakhs. Therefore cost of goods sold is equal to 12 lakhs. Cost of goods sold is equal to 12 lakhs. Next, gross profit ratio is equal to 20%. Gross profit ratio is equal to 20%. Next step, if 80% cost of goods sold is equal to 80% cost of goods sold is equal to 12 lakhs. If 100% cost of goods sold is equal to, if 100% cost of goods sold is equal to question mark, that is equal to 12 lakhs into 100 by 80. 12 lakhs into 100 by 80 is equal to 15 lakhs. Is equal to 15 lakhs. 15 lakhs. Next, fixed assets turnover ratio is equal to, fixed assets turnover ratio is equal to cost of goods sold by fixed assets. Cost of goods sold by fixed assets. Cost of goods sold fixed assets. Next step. 2 is equal to 2 is equal to 15 lakhs by fixed assets. 15 lakhs by fixed assets. Therefore, 2 fixed assets is equal to 15 lakhs. Therefore, 2 fixed assets is equal to 15 lakhs. Fixed assets is equal to 15 lakhs by 2. Fixed assets of 15 lakhs divided by 2. That is equal to 7 lakh 50,000. 7 lakh 50,000. Next, debtors turnover ratio. Debtors turnover ratio is equal to debtors by sales. Debtors by sales into 12 months. మంత్స్ ఇచ్చాం కాబట్టి 12 months వేసుకుంటాం. అదే డేస్ ఇస్తే 365 days వేసుకుంటాం. మంత్స్ ఇచ్చాం 12 వేసుకుంటాం. నెక్స్ట్ స్టెప్ 2 is equal to 12 debtors by 2 is equal to 12 debtors by 15 lakhs. Therefore, debtors is equal to therefore debtors is equal to 15 lakhs into 2, 30 lakhs. Therefore, debtors is equal to 15 lakhs into 2, 30 lakhs. In this manner, you can find out the items and prepare the balance sheet. So, balance sheet of the company. Page 4 తీసుకొని balance sheet వేసుకోండి. Balance sheet of the company. Liabilities to assets. Liabilities to assets. Liability side. Capital 5 lakhs. Capital 5 lakhs. Next, reserves and surplus 2 lakh 50,000. Reserves and surplus 2 lakh 50,000. Next, current liabilities 2 lakhs. Current liabilities 2 lakhs. Next, long term liabilities BF. Long term liabilities balancing figure, that is 3 lakhs. That is 3 lakhs. Next, on asset side, cash 50,000. Cash 50,000. Debtors 2 lakh 50,000. Debtors 2 lakh 50,000. Stock 2 lakhs. Stock 2 lakhs. Fixed assets 7 lakh 50,000. Fixed assets 7 lakh 50,000. Total balance sheet 12 lakh 50,000. Total balance sheet 12 lakh 50,000. 12 lakh 50,000. Total balance sheet of the company 12 lakh 50,000. In this manner, you can prepare the balance sheet. So, given ratios, according to given ratio, you can find out the items and prepare the balance. So, first we will have first ఏ అంశం కనుక్కోవాలా ఎట్లా కనుక్కోవాలా on which ratio that item is going to be find out అని చెప్పేసి ఏ అంశం ద్వారా ఏ రేషియో ద్వారా ఏ అంశం కనుక్కోవాలా సో ఆ మాదిరిగా అంశాలను కనుక్కొని దాని ప్రకారం అన్ని ఐటమ్స్ ఫైల్ అవుట్ చేసేసుకుని నెక్స్ట్ బ్యాలెన్స్ షీట్ ప్రిపేర్ చేసుకోవడం. సో ఇది మనకు బ్యాలెన్స్ షీట్ ప్రిపేర్ చేసుకోవడం. నెక్స్ట్ ప్రాబ్లం. From the following details, from the following details, from the following details, prepare statement of proprietors fund. Prepare statement of proprietors fund. Prepare statement of proprietors fund. Proprietors fund యొక్క స్టేట్మెంట్ తయారు చేయండి అంటాడు. ఐటమ్స్ రాసుకోండి. స్టాక్ వెలాసిటీ, stock velocity, VELOCATY, stock velocity is equal to 6 times, is equal to 6 times. Next, debtors velocity is equal to debtors velocity is equal to 2 months. Debtors velocity is equal to 2 months. Next, capital turnover is equal to 2 times. Capital turnover is equal to 2 times. 2 times. Next, creditors velocity. Creditors velocity is equal to 73 days. Creditors velocity is equal to 73 days. 73 days. Next, fixed assets turnover. Fixed assets turnover is equal to 4 times. Fixed assets turnover is equal to 4 times. Next, gross profit ratio is equal to 20%. Gross profit ratio is equal to 20%. Next pair. Gross profit was 60,000 rupees. Gross profit was 60,000 rupees. 0. Reserves and surplus amounted to reserves and surplus amounted to 20,000 rupees. 20,000 rupees. 20,000. Next, closing stock was 5,000 rupees. Closing stock was 5,000 rupees in excess of opening stock. In excess of opening stock. Excess of opening stock. This is the problem. This is the problem. Note down the answer. Number 1, calculation of sales. Number 1, calculation of sales. Under that, gross profit ratio is equal to gross profit ratio is equal to gross profit by sales into 100. Gross profit by sales into 100. So 20 by 100 is equal to 20 by 100 is equal to 60,000 by sales. 60,000 by sales. Cross multiplication చేస్తే 20 sales is equal to 20 sales is equal to 60 lakhs. 20 sales is equal to 60 lakhs. Therefore, sales is equal to 60 lakhs by 20. Therefore, sales is equal to 60 lakhs by 20. That is equal to 3 lakhs. That is equal to 3 lakhs. These are the sales. These are the sales. 3 lakh sales. Next, cost of goods sold is equal to cost of goods sold is equal to sales minus GP. Sales minus GP. That is equal to 3 lakhs minus 60,000. 3 lakh sales minus 60,000 gross profit. 3 lakhs minus 60,000, that is equal to 2 lakhs 40,000. That is equal to 2 lakh 40,000. 2 lakh 40. In this manner, you can find out sales and cost of goods sold. Okay, next third one. Calculation of opening and closing stocks. Calculation of opening and closing stocks. Calculation of opening and closing stocks. Under that, stock turnover ratio is equal to cost of goods sold by average stock. Cost of goods sold by average stock. Next, 6 is equal to, that means stock turnover ratio. 6 is equal to 2 lakh 40,000 by average stock. 2 lakh 40,000 by average stock. So cross multiplication cheste 6 average stock is equal to 2 lakh 40,000. 6 average stock is equal to 2 lakh 40,000. Therefore average stock is equal to 2 lakh 40,000 by 6. 2 lakh 40,000 by 6, that is equal to 40,000. Therefore average stock is equal to 40,000. Average stock is equal to 40,000. Next step. Average stock is equal to opening stock plus closing stock by 2. Opening stock plus closing stock divided by 2. That is equal to 40,000 is equal to 40,000 is equal to 40,000 is equal to ఓపెనింగ్ స్టాక్ ప్లస్ లో ఓపెనింగ్ స్టాక్ పెట్టుకోండి ప్లస్ బ్రాకెట్ బిగిన్ చేసి ఓపెనింగ్ స్టాక్ ప్లస్ 5,000 ఓపెనింగ్ స్టాక్ ప్లస్ 5,000 నెక్స్ట్ స్టెప్ 40,000 is equal to 2 opening stock plus 5,000 40,000 is equal to 2 opening stock plus 5,000 2 opening stock plus 5,000 next 2 opening stock plus 5,000 is equal to 80,000 2 opening stock plus 5,000 is equal to 80,000 80,000 next 2 opening stock is equal to 80,000 minus 5,000 80,000 minus 5,000 therefore opening stock is equal to 2 opening stock is equal to 75,000 next opening stock is equal to 75,000 by 2 opening stock is equal to 75,000 divided by 2 that is equal to 37,500 so opening stock is equal to 37,500 next closing stock is equal to 37,500 plus 5,000 closing stock is equal to 37,500 plus 5,000 that is equal to 42,500 that is equal to 42,500 42,500 next debtors turnover ratio is equal to debtors by sales into 365 or 12 months 365 days or 12 months so in the problem he was given debtors 2 months. So 2 is equal to 12 debtors by 3 lakhs. 2 is equal to 12 debtors by 3 lakhs. Therefore, debtors is equal to 12 debtors. 12 debtors is equal to 6 lakhs. 6 lakhs. Next, debtors is equal to 6 lakhs by 12. 6 lakhs by 12 is equal to 50,000. Is equal to 50,000. Next, calculation of creditors. Calculation of creditors. Under that, creditors turnover ratio is equal to creditors by purchases. Creditors by purchases into 365 days. Creditors by purchase into 365 days. Next, here purchase is equal to purchase. Under that, to find out purchase, we are going to use cost of goods sold. In the rest, cost of goods sold is equal to opening stock plus purchases minus closing stock. Opening stock plus purchases minus closing stock. You can implement 2,40,000 is equal to 37,500 opening stock plus purchases minus 42,500 closing stock. Minus 42,500 closing stock. Therefore, purchase is equal to 2,45,000. Therefore, purchase equal 2,45,000. Next, 73 is equal to creditors by 2,45,000. Creditors by 2,45,000 into 365. Next, 365 creditors is equal to 73 into 2,45,000. 73 into 2,45,000. Next, creditors is equal to 73 into 2,45,000 by 365. Creditors is equal to 73 into 2,45,000 by 365. That is equal to 49,000. Next, capital turnover ratio. Capital turnover ratio is equal to cost of goods sold by capital. Cost of goods sold by capital. That is equal to 2,40,000 by capital. 2,40,000 by capital. So, capital is equal to 2,40,000. Capital is equal to 2,40,000. Therefore, capital is equal to 2,40,000 by 2. That is equal to 1,20,000. That is equal to 1,20,000. Next, calculation of fixed assets. Calculation of fixed assets. Under that, fixed assets turnover ratio is equal to cost of goods sold by fixed assets. Cost of goods sold by fixed assets. 4 is equal to 2,40,000 by fixed assets. 4 is equal to 2,40,000 by fixed assets. Therefore, fixed assets is equal to 60,000. Therefore, fixed assets is equal to 50,000. So now you can take proprietary statement heading right. Proprietary statement. అన్ని ఐటమ్స్ అన్ని ఫార్ములాస్ యూటిలైజ్ చేసుకుని అన్ని ఐటమ్స్ ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేసేసినాం. సో ఈ ఆస్క్డ్ ప్రిపేర్ స్టేట్మెంట్ ఆఫ్ ప్రొప్రైటరీ ఫండ్స్ బ్యాలెన్స్ షీట్ అట్లేదు కాబట్టి అదే చేస్తాం. సో ప్రొప్రైటరీ ఫండ్ స్టేట్మెంట్, ప్రొప్రైటరీ స్టేట్మెంట్ అంటారు దట్ రాసుకుంటూ పదం. కరెంట్ అసెట్స్, ఫస్ట్ ఆఫ్ ఆల్ ఇక్కడ కరెంట్ అసెట్స్, కరెంట్ అసెట్స్ అండర్ దట్ current assets directly 1,09,000. Current assets 1,09,000 minus, sorry, plus fixed assets 60,000, plus fixed assets 60,000, 1,69,000 minus current liabilities 49,000, minus current liabilities 1,49,000. This is a 1,20,000. These are the assets అనమాట. 1,20,000 assets కాంప్లెక్స్ చేసుకోండి. నెక్స్ట్ షేర్ క్యాపిటల్ 1 lakh, షేర్ క్యాపిటల్ 1 lakh, రిజర్వ్స్ అండ్ సర్ప్లస్ 20,000, రిజర్వ్స్ అండ్ సర్ప్లస్ 20,000, total 1,20,000, total 1,20,000. This is the proprietary statement or balance sheet. Okay, right.